Three themes affect the reinsurance industry in the long term, each of which create challenges and opportunities. The first theme is sustainable development and energy transition. There is today recognition that corporate and social responsibility topics should be prioritized and that energy transition should be more proactively managed. This is a consequence of climate change, challenging demographics and related political aspects, and the limitations of an economic and industrial growth defined post-World War II. The 2008 financial crisis has only made this more obvious. We now see more companies developing new ways of doing business and taking CSR approaches that prioritize trustworthiness over simply maximizing shareholders' wealth at any cost to the environment. Reinsurers have a role to play as facilitators of this transition, to work on protection gap, to support traditional energy companies in the transition, and to develop new insurance coverages from property towards liability, health, and savings. The second theme is hubs, networks, and connectivity. Over time, economic growth and human activity has tended to concentrate in specific geographic areas. This led to the emergence of so-called megacities, large economic and industrial centers. Alongside these hubs and the ever-growing requirement for speed of execution and delivery, there is a great need for effective connections and networks. The emergence of megacities coincides with the creation of empty spaces and regions in the process of becoming human and economic deserts. This polarization of space and concentration gaps do not happen without generating tensions, both socially and geopolitically. Reinsurers play a role in adapting traditional products and developing new ones to support resilience of hubs and networks and to support political risks, cyber, and supply chain vulnerability. The third and final theme is the intangible economy. The intangible economy is leading to the dematerialization of old industries and the growth of new ones, with intangible assets dominating balance sheets, new waves of automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence. The protection of these goods and assets is a key issue for reinsurers. They must adapt to the nature of insurable goods, from tangible to intangible. These three long-term themes will drive our actions in the near term as well as the medium term.